GMA Network Chairman of the Board Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. Si Attorney Gozon ang ikatlong Pilipinong nakakuha ng award na ibinibigay sa katangi-tanging leader sa industriya ng komunikasyon.
I would like to thank IABC Asia Pacific for this very great honor. Being named Communicator of the Year in the Executive Leader category by a very respected global community of communicators is deeply meaningful to me. This recognition holds even greater significance in a year of convergence. The 55th anniversary of the IABC, the 75th anniversary of our company,